How to delete call history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs here. Now, go to the top left corner on the left side and tap on Edit. It will open up a pop-up with your name and photo. Tap on Select below this info section. You can delete any call log by tapping the red minus icon beside it. This will open up a delete icon button on the right side of the selected contact. You can tap on it to delete a contact from this list. Alternatively, tap on Clear at the top right corner. Then, tap on Clear All Recents to delete your entire call history. Following these steps, you can easily delete call history on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.